Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Hana Kwanzaa, and a Happy New Year. I'm so sorry guys, that has been so long since I've uploaded a video, but today I want to show you guys this super cute rainbow look that I created using my Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette that I purchased from ULTA. Listen, this palette is thebomb.com, okay? As you can see, I did my brows off camera because I have a brow tutorial for you guys, so make sure you go check that out. I'm going to start out using my M507 brush with this pretty blue, and I'm just going to pop that right into my crease, and I'm going to blend that out really well. After that, I'm going to, as you can see, use this pink shade on the outer edges of my eye to really give me a more dramatic eye look. Next, I'm going to take this pretty lime green color and I'm going to just pop that right on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend that out really well because, honey, your girl is going to cut this crease, baby girl, okay? Next, I'm going to cut the crease with my all-time favorite concealer, Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Deep Tan, using this concealer brush. The brush that I'm using, I'm not exactly sure what brush it is, but I do know that I received this brush in an Ipsy bag at one point, and I just never used it, so I'm using it today. But you can use any concealer brush. I prefer Morphe brushes personally, but this brush worked really, really well for this look. And I know you guys are probably thinking like, girl, you look like a clown right now, but I'm trying to tell y'all gotta trust the process, honey, because it's gonna all come together and your girl is gonna be looking snatched, honey. The face is gonna be beat, okay? So once I'm done cutting my crease, I'm actually gonna go into this really pretty neon yellow, and I'm gonna pop that all over my lid where I've cut the crease. This color here, guys, gave me a little bit of trouble because this color was very chalky. However, I still love the color, love this color, but I had to really pack this color on to give me the look that I was going for, the pigment that I was going for, because there was a lot of fallout. Y'all see all that dust coming off my lid? Like, baby girl, like, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I felt like I couldn't even like tap the brush to get some of the product off because I needed all of the product to be on my lid. I'm gonna go in with this black and just put that on my outer corner or my outer V, whatever you guys want to call it, and I'm just going to use this color to kind of blend out that blue into that yellow, because if you blend blue and yellow together, it's going to make green, and I did not want that. At this time, I'm just going to repeat the same steps on this eye as I did the other eye. But at this time, guys, if you have not already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel, please. Okay, please. And make sure you guys hit that notifications button. That way, every time I upload a new video, you guys are the first to know. Also, if you're liking this video so far, please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other videos, what other looks, what other hairstyles, what other videos, period, you guys would like to see. And I'm just going to continue doing this look, so enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so now I'm all done with the eyes, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to wipe off the excess fallout, you know, that's on my face. And I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeliner on. I use the matte eyeliner by NYX in the color black. That is my all-time favorite eyeliner. If you guys are struggling to find an eyeliner, or you guys, you know, need a tutorial on how to do eyeliner, I am not the best person, but honey, I will do my best to show you how to apply your eyeliner. It is still a work in progress for me. I'm just going to be honest for you. These YouTubers, they make it look so easy, and it is not at all, okay? Let me just be the first to tell you. Now I'm going in with my Smashbox Photofinish, and this is a primer that I use on my face to help keep my foundation on. I use this in combination with a few different primers because my face gets oily when I apply makeup to my face, but I do have pretty normal skin. The foundation I'm using right now is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Warm Coconut, and it's the matte one. And I'm just using my Morphe Kabuki brush that I absolutely love. I'm so in love with this brush to apply my foundation. It just, oh my gosh, it just melts the color right into my skin. I absolutely love this. Now I'm just highlighting my under eye, my chin, and my nose with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Deep Tan. Next, I'm just going to contour my face with my Fenty Contour Trio. This is the brown shade. I can't remember like what colors actually come in this, but I use this to contour my face, and the brush that I'm using is actually a Morphe blush brush. I like this brush because it's a little bit angled and it's a little small because I have a small face, so those big brushes trying to do contour, they just don't work out for me. Now using my beauty blender from MAC, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out that concealer under my under eye, my nose, and my chin. Now I'm just touching up my contour from when I concealed my face, where those highlighted areas are. I don't want to see any harsh lines, and I don't want it to be too bright. Now I'm just setting my under eye with my Revolution baking powder. This is gonna keep me matte all day. I set my nose, my under eye, and my chin with this so that I don't become greasy throughout the day. I don't know why, but I really like the way I look when I put this setting powder on. I don't know, it just kind of gives my face more definition. I can see that the whole look is coming together. I don't know, but right now I'm just gonna dust that away after letting that set for a little bit. I do have to pop my lashes on. Right now I'm just putting some black eyeliner on my waterline on the bottom just to kind of make my eyes stand out a little bit. And I'm also going to put a little more color underneath my eye just to give me more of a smoked out look. Using my Essence mascara, I'm just going to coat my top and my bottom lashes just to give me more of a dramatic look. Lastly, I'm just going to apply my Smashbox Primer Water setting spray. I usually like to apply this before I actually apply my Milani highlighter using my Morphe fan brush. I cannot remember what color this highlighter is in, but I will leave it below in the description box, as well as all of the other products and brushes that I use. So I'm just applying this right now to my Cupid's bow, to my cheekbones, to my nose, to my brow bone, to the top of my forehead, you know, just highlighting some areas. And other than that, that's pretty much the look, guys. And to finish off this look, I am going to actually use a clear lip gloss. You guys will know every single product, every single brush that I used, and thank you guys so much again for watching my video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give your girl a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you guys want to see any other looks.